All right, welcome back to Lugnut Speedway on YouTube and on Facebook. Check us out on both. Appreciate you watching the video. These are our big modifieds. We're going to go 25 laps here for the A main for all the marbles. So everything is ready to go. Let's watch the video. Thanks. Okay. Okay, guys. 25 laps for the sticker. The sticker. It's going to be a good race. I think it's going to be a wreck fest, but it's going to be a good race. All right. All righty. You want to go 25 laps? 3, 2, 1, green. And we almost got here.
Back in?
Yeah, come back up. All righty, try again. 3, 2, 1, green. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dick's starting to run away with it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5 to go, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, there's your winner right there, 1,791, and I didn't catch on 39 and 9.
Yeah, he got me. I just passed it.
1,791, 39 and 9? Okay. Eventually move your car up there to the correct spot, please. 1,791. That was great racing, guys. That was great. Well, I'll shut the video down here. Hope you guys enjoyed that green to checkered. Well, with one mishap at the start, but keep watching. We'll keep videoing.